In this video, let me show you how to equip Skin and Archero 2. Now, since it's a brand new globally released game, there aren't many features for customizing character skins. After that, unlike in Archero 1, where multiple skins were already available, Archero 2 has a very limited option. Next, with almost no official information about skins, the only way to equip one is by going to the equip section and then selecting your character. The only way to equip skins is by customizing gears. The only visible skin you can see is its weapon. Try changing from bow to wand or claws. Now, there will likely be updates that introduce more skins in the future. After that, as of now, there are no official announcements about new skins. This is all we can do for now. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.